I just brushed that off camera. Look at this. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024. I'm about to take you on a service call I ran earlier today. An existing customer. First floor air conditioning not working. Remarkable, the stuff that we uncover on a daily basis. Check this out. Morning. How are you? What's working? What's not working?
The downstairs units.
Okay.
So, at the back here, well actually we're here, so
What is it doing?
freezing over.
Gotcha. Is it blowing out good air or?
Not really.
Okay. So let's go to the thermostat.
So, watch out for boxes, of course. But this first unit there,
Okay.
the one closest to us,
Yep.
there was ice going all along the little.
Okay.
If that's insulated all the other fun
Gotcha.
stuff. So, spray, normal, I suppose. Not really, but. And then.
Antarctica?
Yeah. And marathon there.
In Antarctica? You've been to Antarctica?
Yes.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so
It's gonna be a
cool.
little bit nuts, but yeah. No, it was really, really cool. So,
How long did it take you to get there?
so we sailed down from Ushuaia and Tierra del Fuego, so a couple days across the passage.
How long were you there for?
A few weeks.
Oh my god, that is so cool. That is
Yeah,
so cool.
That would be not sick. So,
Yeah, me and my wife are dying to go to Antarctica.
I didn't clean it yet. So, usually I clean every 6 months-ish.
Why? What? Oh my god.
We've had so much stuff going on, so I'm sure that this could be part of the fun. 30 days.
Yeah. So what's great about these filters, which is 23.5 by 29 by 1, is that they're washable.
Yes.
But you need to wash them every 30 days.
Got it. Okay. Well, you heard me before I sat back and decided I was on schedule for 6 months. So, yeah. I've not been doing 30 days.
And so I'm here for the first floor, but the second floor is cooling okay or no?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Just fine. Yeah.
Imagine how it's going to cool now with the filter removed.
Fine.
Oh yeah. Not this one. By the way, it's an illegal converted attic. And no, I'm not disclosing where we are. Okay, there's my air handler. We got a hydro coil over there, return duct. Let's dig in. All right, we have a 110 volt Rheem air handler from March 2006. Absolutely going to be an R22 system. Return duct, 18-inch, 3/4-inch copper piping hooked up to the PEX B, Crimpex. That's 1 inch actually, sorry. I said 3/4, that's 1 inch. And it goes pushed down with that reducing coupling to 3/4 on the hydro coil. So these two pipes hooked up to the boiler, and the heating season, the boiler turns on, circulator pumps water up here. This aquastat, strap-on aquastat, tells the fan when to come on. Pretty cool. So we got some water in this drain pan, right? We have a brush, clear condensate trap. We're gonna brush that out into it and then through the trap itself. But first, let's take a look at our blower. Got my, okay, switcheroo. The outdoor unit is off right now. Oh, I hate it when they do that. One more. God. Damn. That has not been opened in like forever. Wow. That's, wow. Can you believe it? My God. Oh my God. Oh, holy shit. Man. There's literally oil residue caked onto this capacitor. I think it's a 20. Oh my God, look how filthy this is. Jeez Louise. And we are saturated. Wow. I'm gonna take off this cover next, but first, let's turn off the power. I'm gonna pull off this other panel right here. This is still partially frozen. Wow. Incredible. So, the coil on this side is not so bad, but there's a sheet of ice right there.
Yep, I'm seeing.
Huge sheet of ice. All right, let's see if I can see in here. No, not terrible. Good. Check the other side. Yep, block of ice. All right. I am going to check this capacitor. I'm going to get some disinfectant. We'll try to brush off because this is all saturated with the water. Yep. So we're going to try to disinfect it with a rag, a clean rag, and we'll use some disinfectant to clean that off. I'm going to check the capacitor, make sure that that's good. And as soon as I get this in order, we're going to turn on the heat.
Okay.
I want the coil to get hot, and I want to melt the rest of this ice off quickly as possible. Time is money at the end of the day. I don't want to spend all day here, but I want to spend maybe an hour and a half total, and melt the rest of this ice off. And then, hopefully, when we go outside, everything there is good. It's not a refrigerant issue, and it's a dirty filter, and then we're good. All right, discharge the capacitor using the needle nose. Remove the 2 leads at the top of the capacitor, and believe it or not, we have 18. But with the oil coming out of this bad boy, like literally oil dripping down, we have to change that. Like literally it's coated in ooze. And it's a 20. Wow, crazy. All right, let me get you a new 20. I'm gonna get some spraying on and clean out this bad boy. All right, I took a Titan HD 10 microfarad cap and an Amrad 10 microfarad single cap. I didn't have a 20. I had everything else but a 20. I'm running them parallel, so I have a wire going from one side of one cap to the other. And now if I were to test, okay, on one side to the other, now I have 20.4, 20.3. So I made a 20 microfarad cap. Let's say I needed 5 microfarads, right? I could still utilize these 2 caps, but removing one jumper, and one goes on one and the other goes on the other, and we would have 5 microfarads. All right, so let's put these on there. That's gonna go on there right there. Bingo. Push that down a little bit with my needle nose and fire up. All right, let's fire up. All right, we got good blower action. We turn the heat on, so our coil is hot. I'm gonna put on the covers and let's get some air across this evaporator, hot air from the coil. Alright, I took some spray nine and a rag. I cleaned the cabinet, the exterior of this air handler. To treat the pan, I put in some Viper pan and drain treatment, and I also used some of these drain tabs by New Calgon, only because I don't think it's ever been done here. I did both, and I sprayed a little bit of the Viper into the clear trap, so we'll probably eliminate a lot of that gook that's in there. We're just gonna let this, make sure this runs okay. She's heating up. She's hot. Hot. Ow. Damn. And we'll check outside. Yep. I guess they were worried about side yard setbacks. 3.5. R22. Man, some people will just never learn. I'm gonna guess it's the same. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. What do you want to bet? She looks like that inside there. I took the screw out, 1/4 inch. I guess they were smart enough not to put that one in there or take it out. Dum dum dum. Dum 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 dum. Oh, not terrible. I'm a little adventurous. Let's see. All right, very carefully, I pulled it away from the house, and now I can get my fist in there. That's a big difference there. Let's see what she looks like. Here we go. Let's take a look. Honestly, I don't even know if cleaning this thing is going to make a difference. Like, seriously. We're smack up against the house. We have literally about 6 or 8 inches of leaves and vegetation and mulch between the foundation wall and the unit itself. Let's see. I think this is probably the first time you guys see me brush off a coil on this channel. Like, seriously. I've never brushed off a coil before. And that's only because I don't feel like getting the hose, even though there's a hose faucet right there. And I should get the hose. We don't love them hose. All right, I'm gonna spare you the details. I'm gonna do my best here. You wanna go with the fins, not against it. Parallel. God. Like, really, is this even gonna make a difference? A dent on the performance of this? Absolutely. But it's just so effing bad. Let's see, hold on. No, not terrible. Not terrible, but if there's water here. Did you expect water to be there? Oh my God. I just brushed that off camera. Look at this. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Oh, tip of the old iceberg, huh? Antarctic iceberg. I'm just gonna tell them to go buy some new 30-day filters on Amazon or my website. Yeah, my website. And get a little cut, a commission. This is crazy. You're never gonna get this clean. Ever. Nothing yet. Just turned the thermostat on. That's not really reading anything. The contactor is not pulled in. Could be a time delay. I guess we'll wait and see. By the way, if you're in the Bronx, Westchester area, and you need some plumbing heating supplies, check out the folks at Jasco, 718-994-1360, JascoSupply.com at 4225 Peters Place in the Bronx. Check them out. Not a sponsor of the channel. Maybe not yet. Yeah, so that's all of the dirt and all the other organisms that are flying around your air and that. Unusually long delay. And by the way, the thermostat is looking like this. Alright, I don't think this is going to do anything, but nope. High pressure switch. So if the condenser fan motor should ever fail, or there's so much dirt across the condensing coil where our high pressure leaving the condenser, or leaving the compressor, is too high, there it is. That pressure switch is manually reset. It's going to kick on, opening the circuit, and it's manual reset. You have to push that button in. So unit's running right now. Yeah, it's on now. Yeah. We're gonna wait a minute and check our pressures. All right, I'm using my Testo Smart Probes. This is the second generation. The first generation didn't have the little angled or offset on the probe where it goes into the low loss fitting. Connected to my other iPhone, and we're not looking too good. You know that our coil's filthy, and if I were to clean this coil, the high side pressure will definitely be lower, which means that'll also come down a lot. And we have 1.3 degrees of superheat, 14 degrees of subcooling. We don't have a TXV system, but we are definitely not playing with a full deck right here. Definitely not good. But the system is running and is cooling, and without that horrible filter in there, I don't think she's going to freeze up. If it's a little bit hotter out, right now it's 62 degrees, but we have a 76 degree indoor ambient temperature. If it was hotter out, these numbers would be higher, but 14 degrees subcooling, not even anything on superheat, 0.2 degrees, not looking too good. This is what happens when you neglect the system. So imagine what the high side pressure will be once the coil is clean and rejuvenated, but it's not worth it. The system uses R22. It is what it is. She lives another day. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area and you're tired of dealing or getting the runaround from your HVAC contractor, I would love to help you. My phone number is 516-348-6300. We're based in Woodmere, New York for our New York location. We're also based in Central Florida, and the end of this week, I will personally be running service calls in the Orlando area. So if you're in the Orlando area and you want a free service call, give me a call there at 407-375-1100. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, the biggest compliment you can give me is smashing that thumbs up button right down below and subscribe to the channel. There's no cost or obligation. And as always, if you want me or my team to come help you in the Long Island metropolitan area, give us a call at 516-348-6300 or save time. Book online at pipedoc.net. Catch you on the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.